Hi, Christina again. Welcome to AceVacuums, your trusted SEBO dealer and vacuum repair expert right here in Fairfax, Virginia. If you're searching for SEBO repair near me, or the best place to buy SEBO vacuums in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area, you're in the right place. We are an authorized SEBO dealer, offering a full lineup of vacuums, parts, accessories, and certified repairs. Whether you own the SEBO K3 Premium, Felix, Dart, E3, or the powerful X4 Boost, our factory-trained technicians have you covered. Bro, where to buy SEBO vacuums? Looking to buy a SEBO vacuum? Visit AceVacuums Fairfax, where you can test the latest models and take advantage of in-store trade-in discounts. Do you repair SEBO vacuums? Yes! Our SEBO certified technicians perform repairs on all SEBO models, and in most cases, we offer same-day service if parts are available. What SEBO vacuum models do you sell? From canisters like the K3 Premium ET1 to uprights like the Felix and Dart, we carry the full SEBO range, ready for demo and sale. We carry the full range of SEBO vacuums. SEBO Airbelt K3 Premium, SEBO Felix Upright, SEBO Dart Upright, SEBO Automatic X4, SEBO Airbelt E3 Canister. All are available in-store for demo and purchase. How does a SEBO vacuum compare to other premium brands like Miele or Dyson for different cleaning needs? SEBO vacuums stand out for their robust durability, powerful carpet agitation, and superior filtration with genuinely sealed systems. We offer in-store comparisons to help you choose the best premium vacuum for your home. What makes SEBO vacuums so durable and a worthwhile investment? 2. SEBO vacuums are known for their exceptional German engineering, robust construction, and modular design. Many models come with a 10-year warranty, ensuring a long lifespan and a great return on your investment due to their durability. Can I purchase genuine SEBO parts and accessories from your store? Yes, as an authorized SEBO dealer, we stock a comprehensive inventory of genuine SEBO parts and accessories, including filter bags, filters, brush rolls, hoses, and specialized tools. Vacuum trade-in program. Want to save on your next SEBO vacuum? Bring your old vacuum to us. We offer trade-in discounts to help you upgrade affordably. Are you a certified SEBO warranty center? Yes. We process SEBO warranty claims, replace parts under warranty, and ensure your vacuum is repaired to factory specs. Why should I choose AceVacuums over online retailers? We're local, we know SEBO, and we provide face-to-face service, hands-on product demos, repairs and parts on site, warranty service, easy parking at the door. Visit AceVacuums Fairfax today.